Good morning. Okay. This is the hot spring resort where we stayed at last night. To get in the pools, you have to take a shower, so. That feels so good. This is so nice. It's about, I don't know, 103, 105. Just some nice morning soak. Listening to the birds sing. Meditating. Breathing. This is the cooler pool, probably about 80. Around 80 degrees. Dang, I get water in my ears and then and the pool goes from 3 feet, which is 3 feet, and then it goes to 7 feet. So I was over here doing my yoga this morning, my water yoga, my water aerobics. And I did some push-ups and some like arm circles to strengthen my shoulders. So cold. Wim Hof. Alright, that's it. It's a little warmer now. Okay, this was cold. And now some karaoke. What song am I singing? Comment in the section below.
Good one!
Heavy rain, how I die.
change, everything's got to stop while they smoke that cigarette. Smoke, smoke, smoke that cigarette. Pump, 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 and if you smoke yourself to death. Well, say till your birthday, in case to make a way where you gotta have another cigarette. You take a song together. Take a lead, and I'm doing. I don't know about that. Yeah. Come on. All right, hang on. Okay. Right.
A winter RV hot springs resort, Bashford's hot mineral spa is located at the base of the Chocolate Mountains in close proximity to the Salton Sea, 70 miles south-southwest of Palm Springs. Naturally heated, high mineralized water comes out at a temperature of about 150 Fahrenheit from over a 500-foot deep well source to an artesian well. And here are some more information. At locator.com, this is locating your hot springs. Bashford Mineral and Hot Springs Resort. Soaking temperatures are about 101 and the swimming pool is about 84 to 87. And then there are those personal use tubs that are more private. The saltwater pools are treated with salt water, no chemicals. All kinds of activities, including the karaoke, which you just saw. And yeah, you can ride around in the desert too. And they also have a big pond and the oasis. There's the mineral pools. That's the hot soak pool, therapy pool, and a hot pond with fish. So yeah, there you go. And this is the source right here. Coming out at 150 degrees and cooling in this tower. Raining down in there. And then it cools off. And then it's captured over here and it's filled into the personal use tubs, which are not chemicals. And here's the private baths that nobody's in now, so I could show you how many there are. There's 6 of them. And yeah, you could take a bath in here. So enough for 3 or 4 people. We had 4 people in there last night. Then you just rinse it out right here. These are the rules of the hot mineral baths. It's already filled up and then you drain it completely, hose down the wall, steps and bottom, and then replace the plug and then fill it up so the next person can use it. Last night this looked like an army man walking through the desert, but really it's an angel. And this looked like a tick with reggae dreads, maybe? Like it's a pineapple. These are the private pools, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And then you can go in and drain it and fill it up again for the next person. And these are the bathrooms. Pretty nice and clean. Wow. I mean, it's just stained, but it's okay. And yeah, nice little private bathroom. The only thing I didn't like is the window, but I guess you would close it if you had this. Picnic benches for you to use. And this was our campsite, dry camping. Fill up your water bottles. Sit right in behind the Chocolate Mountain range. There's no blacktop roads, but it's still really nice. And they have the men's and women's ladies there. And VIP entrance. Whoa. This is where we were last night. We had the last karaoke last night. And these are some of the other things that are going on. Pajama party, I want to do that. And the poker run. trash bash dance. And yeah, every day they have hand and foot in the card room. I love that game. This is where we did karaoke last night. Well, thank y'all for coming on by.
Cycling.
And I'll see you next time on the next adventure. Like, share, here. And bless your heart. Ooh, ah, remarkable.